Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video, we're gonna be unboxing a WeatherGuard shelf door for their van shelving. Let's get into it. All right, this is gonna be a pretty simple unboxing. This is part number 9505. It's for a 52-inch wide shelf, and that is how you buy these shelf doors. It's by the width of the shelving unit. All right, we have here our shelf door, along with a bunch of other dunnage and hardware and pieces like that, but this gives you a good view of it. Typically this does drop down almost like an underbody box. There are little cables right here. They're gonna attach to the end of the shelf, so it folds down flat, give you that nice 90 degrees. And one quick note here, as I'm noticing it, is we do have our keys kind of wire tied to our actual latch mechanism right here. The keys are coded. These are RH01, and I believe on the outside of the box, we do have a key number of 01. A lot of their accessories are gonna use that key code. They're gonna share from component to component. So if you're gonna be installing shelf doors, multiple shelf doors, or doors and some cabinets that are also lockable, you can use the same key for all of those. You can see here, this does have a built-in hinge right here as well. All the little pre-drilled locations for attaching this to the shelf. Let's go ahead. This is just some dunnage to prevent damage. Looks like inside this one, you have a bracket. You do have 3 brackets right here. Not entirely sure how these are used yet. We're gonna be installing this in the van behind me, actually, on our shelving. So interested in how this gets installed on a shelf itself, be sure to check out that video. We also have here all of our installation hardware. So it looks like just a handful of bolts, washers, and lock nuts. So all that's required for installing this on the shelving unit. Looks like we also do get a little bit of kind of adhesive foam here that's going to prevent a lot of that, steel on steel noise that you can get as you're driving down the road. It's gonna help cut down on some of that road noise. You also are going to have here just a one-sheeter with a QR code right here. So if you wanna know the exact installation instructions for how to install this on the van, you wanna scan that with your phone and get the latest instructions that way. It is gonna be pretty simple, not too bad. But again, this is going to fit on those 52-inch wide shelves. You can get this for all the different width shelves that they make. This can be just a standard size in between your 2 shelves. Now, if you're curious on what the height is on this, this is about 11¼ inch. I believe this is going to fit in that 12-inch opening between your 2 shelves. So what you're going to want to purchase with this to make it a fully enclosed lockable cabinet is going to be your shelf backs. So the back of the WeatherGuard shelves are actually open, and you can buy an accessory that covers the back of the shelf, and then it'll be fully enclosed. Then everything is nice and secure and locked in that little compartment. So this is a nice accessory you can get from WeatherGuard. We have our nice little twist latch right here that just twists our latch mechanism right here. And of course it is lockable. Have our keys right here. Comes with 2 keys. We do have these nice little wires so that this door is not flapping down and getting out of control. So nice little accessory here from WeatherGuard. Again, everything from WeatherGuard does have a lifetime warranty, so this is going to be protected for the long haul. And this also is in that Brite White powder coat finish, which is going to match all of their shelving. So a nice addition for your upfit in your van. Now, if you're looking for this accessory, the shelving, partitions, anything else to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.